If Windows 10 does not start or boot and the system repair does not work, then this video will help you to save your data from your hard drive. If you don't want to save any data, I recommend reinstalling Windows 10. You will find a simple video on the top right in the info cards or in the video description below. In case you don't know the system repair as it's shown right now, then I recommend you to try a system repair first. You will find the video on the top right in the info cards or take a look in the video description below. If a system repair does not work, you can get access to your data again by starting your PC from a USB flash drive. The prerequisite is that the hard drive is still intact. You need 4 things. Firstly, a USB flash drive. Secondly, an external USB hard drive or another storage medium for your data recovery. Thirdly, the UNet boot-in software. You can find the download link in the video description. And fourthly, a Windows PC with internet access to download the program and create a bootable USB flash drive. If you don't have any other PC, ask a friend if you can use his computer. Now I show you how to create a bootable USB flash drive. We will install the Ubuntu operating system on the USB flash drive. Then you can use it to start your broken Windows 10 PC and save your data. Now I downloaded UNet boot-in. You find the download link in the video description. Now I connect my USB flash drive to the PC. Here you can see my complete free USB flash drive without data. And now we are going to install Ubuntu on it. Start now UNet boot-in. Then choose Ubuntu as a distribution. Check whether the correct USB drive is set, then confirm with OK. Ubuntu will now be downloaded automatically. As soon as the download is finished, the installation will start. When the process is finished, you can exit the program and remove the USB flash drive. Then connect it to your PC with a broken Windows 10. If your PC does not boot automatically from the USB flash drive, then we need to change the settings in the computer BIOS. To open the BIOS, press one of these shown keys several times immediately after the computer starts up, and do this until the BIOS appears. The key you have to press to open the BIOS depends on the brand of your notebook or the mainboard of your PC. If your brand is not listed here, search for the button on the internet. When the BIOS is open, it should look something like this. Then search the boot menu in the BIOS and select your USB flash drive. For me, the USB flash drive is called Verbatim Store. If you don't know which one is right, then you can try it out. If you have chosen the right one, it will look like this. Select Ubuntu and press enter. Now the PC will start Ubuntu. That may take a moment. Even it looks like the PC is not doing anything, that is normal. After a while, Ubuntu is finished loading and this window will open. Now you can choose your preferred language. Then choose Try Ubuntu. For data recovery, you can now connect your external USB drive to the PC. With a left click on the USB symbol, you can open the external drive. Do a right click on the folder symbol, then choose New Window. Now you can open other directories like in the Windows Explorer. The controls are very similar to Windows. You can navigate to each of your directories and copy all important files to your external USB hard drive. For many people, the important data are located in the user's directory on the Windows hard disk. With a left and right click, you can use the copy function. Then you paste the data on the external drive. When you have backed up all important data on your external storage device, you can exit Ubuntu. I recommend to reinstall Windows 10. You can now find a video about it on the top right or in the video description below. If something doesn't work or you have questions, write me a comment. I'm happy if it was useful for you, and then see you next time. Bye.